Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna paint something with acrylics, a little lantern in the snow. But before we start, I have two announcements for my channel to make. The first one is I will be in the future uploading on Sundays instead of Thursdays. And the second one is I will be making new videos every 3 weeks now instead of 2, because it's physically impossible for me to find new ideas and produce them in only 2 weeks. I'm sorry. But now let's get started with the time lapse. So with this painting, I am picking up an old tradition of mine because each year to this time I get into the mood of wanting to paint something with snow. I don't know why. And since this year we don't really have any snow worth mentioning yet, I'm just creating my own now. So here you can see me in the block-in stage, background and snow base, a little bit of the ornaments of the lantern already. Just chipping away. Shading in the snow. Now I'm making all the snow-covered branches in the background. And in that stage you could think it's just some weird shapes and they don't really make sense, but you will see in the end. They will come to life. And I'm also sorry for the changing light in this video, because I thought it was a good idea to use the auto white balance on my camera. That didn't really work out. But yeah, we never stop learning. Now putting in the hundreds of thousands of needles of the twigs in the background, and you will see they make the background just come to life. You can finally see what it actually is. out the light from the lantern that reflects from the branches in the background and from the snow, giving it a little bit of contrast, because the orange and the yellow are the complementary colors to the blue, and yeah, it just makes it come more to life. I love images like this. The evening light glowing in the snow, and it's already almost dark. And it's funny, the day I finished this painting, my mom got out a lantern with a candle in it, standing at the entrance of the house. I like lanterns. Here I'm working with masking tape. That is a little trick that I picked up from another artist to get things straight when you paint. That is a very useful tool. I can recommend it to everyone. Okay, not so much when you're painting with oils probably, because they don't dry that fast. Now putting some light into the top of the lantern. And this also applies to acrylic painting or any paint you use. If you're not sure which color your reference image is, which color you should use, just go into any graphics program or so that you have and use the color picker, and it will show you what you need. And in this part I switched back to the white balance for the artificial light now, and I just don't like it. It's much too blue, as you can see. I need to work on that. Now working on the inside of the lantern, and the glass, the reflective and all that stuff. Sharpening the ornaments. Reflections. Glazing in a glow and putting in the flame. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this painting. Thank you very much for watching, and if you liked that video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I also like to say hi to all my new subscribers. I see you. And yeah, see you all in the next one. Bye!